brings home a trophy of the best striker of the season. And how do you feel if your daughter or your son scores grade D in Kenya secondary education, but is invited to join Arsenal Football Academy in England? Football has three main enormous benefits. One, playing football earns a salary to the players. Most of the players who have not made it in education, maybe because of their humble backgrounds, have greatly made it in football. Lionel Messi being an example. Born in the village called Santana Fe in Argentina, his father was a factory steel worker. His mother was employed as a part-time cleaner. At the age of 8, he started playing for Gradillo Club, a local club which was coached by his father. At the age of 8, he shifted and started playing for Newell's Old Boys Club. Unfortunately, at the age of 11, he was diagnosed with a growth deficiency. This was a condition that required a financially stable family to cater for the medical bills. Despite his talent, local clubs could not come for his help. It was at this point the sporting director of FC Barcelona, Mr. Cowell, came for his help, and he promised to cater for his hospital bills, but only under one condition: if he would shift to Spain. He was enrolled at FC Barcelona Football Academy, and he made his first debut in 2004. He made his first goal in 2005. He has quickly climbed up the ladders, having tough records by his side. Messi is considered to be the best player in the world. He's also considered to be the best striker in the world. Messi is the second highest earning football in the world, just after Cristiano Ronaldo, earning 275,000 euros per week, free from tax, with highly lucrative endorsement deals, almost doubling his annual incomes. If it weren't for football, this talented footballer would be languishing in poverty. And therefore, football is his kit of wealth. 2, football builds good character. Football participation highlights leadership qualities which are important both on and off the field. According to the UN General Assembly 2005, football has been used to enhance energy of the youth vulnerable boys and girls. In Kenya, football has equipped young people with required tools to take up leadership roles within their communities. Playing football promotes social integration, creating a forum for development of teamwork, strategic development, and organizational skills when players are sitting down, coming up with a game plan and strategies to win. They also learn discipline when they respect the decision of their coach. They earn the sense of belonging. Good character is much, much better than money. And therefore, football has become their kit of wealth. 3, football creates employment. Game of football requires special footwear, clothing, and other gears, creating an opportunity for big companies to come up and create employment. According to Statista Photo, Nike company hired 62,600 employees in the year 2015 worldwide. Puma hired 11,351 employees in the same year worldwide. And Adidas hired 55,355 employees worldwide same year. It also creates employment for coaches of different football clubs, referees, and those who maintain the ground. They earn a living through football. And therefore, football is their key of wealth. Do you have a son, a daughter, a brother, or a sister who wants to play football, wants to become a coach, or wants to work for Puma, Adidas, or Nike? Support them. Because, as we have seen, playing football has 3 enormous benefits. Playing football earns salary for players. Playing football builds good character. And playing football creates employment. Remember, this could be their kicks of wealth.